Welcome again once more again. My name is Iche Francis. It says a senior member of International Safety of Automation. This is another fresh class. Welcome to this class. I'm going to show you how to know the communication protocols that you have to use to communicate to your field devices. Most of the people are asking me, engineer, how can we detect and know the process protocol, communication protocol that our devices has before we get in touch with it, before we buy it? If you can see, look at here. This is a flow meter, and it's a power supply of 220 volt, and it's an electromagnetic flow meter, and you can use it for volumetric calculation or checking the flow of water passing through a pipeline. This is 40. We have this, and this is Hart enabled. If you can see, we ask the manufacturer to incorporate Hart enable for us, because in the field devices we can be able to configure and to diagnose, verify, calibrate any of the instruments that we install for our client. And that is why most people come to us to purchase our flow meters, because we will give you the right solution to your problem at site. When the problem comes, we come there to analyze the problem, because we have the capability, we have able technicians to handle any of the flow meter at site, as we have different communication protocol softwares, modules, and RS4, RS4, S5 communication softwares from different OEMs. So we have the ability to do that for you. Now, this is the flow meter, and this is a data bar pressure transmitter, and this Hart enabled also. This is 420 Hart enabled also. So that's what you can see properly. Okay, let me see whether you guys can see it. Look at it. If you can see it, then turn. See if you can read it. It is written there. So it's Hart enabled. Now we have your positive, negative, 420 milliamps output test. So we connected it to 4 to 20 positive and negative. To remember, this is a resistor for you to connect properly to your USB Hart by not pulling or pulling the 250 ohms resistor, depending on how your Hart communication device work with your model. Do you understand? If you don't understand, this is for professionals, and if you want more to learn this, you have to call us for that. So this is already connected, and if you can see my laptop, we have operational devices, which is this guy, and this software we're using DEFCON 2000. Shout out to DEFCON 2000 for they gave us their software for us to test or check our instruments for a period of for 1 month, I think for 1 month, for us to analyze the software and see how the software works properly. So we are checking the software with this, and it's working pretty well. So DEFCON 2000 is a very good software for your Hart communication, 567 wireless Bluetooth communication devices. So this is when you want to do your calibration check. Your flow meters. This is your tag, the available calibration, your long-term tag, device name, as left, as file name, date, notes and the rest of it. After you finish your calibration, it will print out your software. So it's a good one to know the devices that you want to buy, know whether you need hard communication for your field diagnosis, for your field calibration and verification. I didn't say you cannot use your RS485 to communicate very well, but mostly modern technology, even FF Box can use it to communicate to your devices. But for startup engineers that wants to know about devices, I preferably would tell you to start off with hard communication devices, and it will make you to know more of how to maneuver your 423 hours with your input pressure or input temperature that is being introduced to your analog sensor. Thank you. I will see you in the next class.